Aurora Gaming Philippines was the third team to be eliminated from MPL Philippines Season 17. You know what time it is? Hands in. Para sa mga nagtatanong bakit third, it's because nauna yung TNC at AP Bren bago mag-end yung regular season. And yes, I'm doing this at I think 1 a.m. kasi sabi ko pag ginawa ko pa to bukas, medyo makakalimutan ko na lahat ng mga naiisip ko. So again, GG sa Aurora. Medyo hindi talaga tumugma yung kapalaran para sa kanila in this specific season. Kasi yun nga, nangako si Edward during the end of the regular season interview na ibang Aurora yung makikita natin para sa playoffs. And I think facing up against Onyx Philippines, meron namang mga signs of brilliance here and there. Kaya nga 3-2 yung naging match score. Pero sa last clash, feeling ko dun talaga sila bumitaw completely. At alam mo yun, kita mo naman sa mga mukha nila pagkatapos nung laban, while all of them were being interviewed on social media sa media room, yung pag-iyak ni Doming Kite, yung pagkasimangot nitong si Light, you know how much this means to them. At ayun nga, dahil M7 World Champion sila, siguro some of the MPL fans had high expectations for them na medyo bumaba dahil nga sila yung last team na nakapasok ng playoffs. Alam mo, nagkwento nga sa akin si Doming kahit pagkatapos ng regular season game nila na, alam mo boss, wala kaming day off. Yun yung sabi niya sa akin. Tapos alam mo yun, sabi ko, oo pare, wala playoffs na talaga eh. So nandun yung dedication for this team because Onyx Philippines was just better at making decisions on the fly. Sure, may mga risky plays na ginawa yung Aurora, pero kaya nga nauuna yung high risk, 'di ba, bago yung high reward. Because if you risk more than what you think you can, malaki talaga yung magiging drawback pag natalo ka. I wouldn't be surprised kung merong mga players na papakawalan itong Aurora. Maybe one, maybe two, but there has to be a change. Oo, sabihin natin na nanalo sila nung M7 World Championship. Kahit paano magiging proud naman dun yung mga players kasi nakapagbigay sila ng karangalan para sa organization. Pero kung pagkatapos ng M7 World Championship, biglang dito kagad matatapos yung karera nila, baka kino-consider din ng management na magkaroon ng changes with their lineup. But I'm sure it's gonna be a long night for them. They're gonna be reflecting on this sa lahat na mababasa nila sa social media, but it's part of being a pro player. At yung sinabi nga ni Doming na minsan yung hardships mo, yung pagsisipag mo, ay hindi naman nakikita ng sobrang daming tao. Still a valiant effort that they made it patungo sa postseason.